Do you sometimes wonder what can be done to extend the life of your car engine? Then it's a film for you. Today I will show you a new product from BIZOL. This is BIZOL Friction Modifier +o94. It is a special additive to each engine oil and to each engine type, thanks to which you can protect the engine against wear such as the camshaft, crankshaft, slide bearings or piston with cylinders. This additive aims to prevent metal-to-metal contact areas in the engine by using high-tech BIZOL W-Guard technology. But how does this product work? After adding it to the engine, it mixes with the engine oil. The effect of its operation is visible immediately. However, with each kilometers traveled, the ingredients contained in this product react with parts subject to friction and cause them to harden, which has a positive effect on reducing friction. The engine wears out in cold start when it's heavily loaded, for example when driving uphill or with a trailer. The time of starting the engine is so dangerous that at the time of the start there is no full oil pressure. The sliding bearing or the turbocharger are worn. During maximum loads, when the oil temperature is extremely high, its viscosity decreases and may result in the so-called dry friction, which also contributes to increased engine wear. BIZOL means protection. It is best to use the product immediately after changing the oil. 250 ml can of BIZOL Friction Modifier +o94 is suitable for 4 liters to 6 liter engine oil and effective up to 50,000 kilometers. This additive is formulated to make conventional engine oil to do better job by dramatically reducing friction, increasing power output, increasing fuel economy and reducing emission. Using this additive, qualitative performance approaching those of the BIZOL Green Oil Plus line can be achieved.